the Maricopa County Association of Governments Domestic Violence Council. That's exactly why we have that council. That council exists specifically so we can coordinate these efforts. And it requires the active participation of the members of Maricopa County government who are part of it, i.e., the county attorney's office, Maricopa County Attorney's Office. And when they're not there, when they are AWOL, then that council loses its ability to be effective. And we have to have people attending those meetings. Absolutely have to have that, and I will make those a priority. Let me talk a little bit about some of the things that Mr. Thomas just said. Let's talk a little bit about the Ceja case. Look, attorneys get paid to represent different clients. My law firm was appointed by the court in the mid-1980s to represent Joe Ceja. I was not even at my law firm at that time. I got involved in that case in the last 2 weeks before Mr. Ceja died because there were so many final appeals that were going on at both the Ninth Circuit and then the United States Supreme Court, and they needed some help with some research. But I happen not to have written any of the briefs or made any oral arguments or even appeared in court in that case. And yet Mr. Thomas has sent out a 4-page mailer to lots of people and brings it up tonight as though somehow this somehow disqualifies me from serving as an advocate for victims' rights or for prosecuting cases. That could not be further from the truth. If anything, it gave me a richer understanding. And I assure you that I am a strong proponent of the death penalty in appropriate cases. I am a proponent of the death penalty for mass murderers, for terrorists, for people who do particularly heinous crimes against vulnerable populations. I will prosecute them, and I will give them lethal injection. I will give them whatever death penalty is found constitutional. I absolutely will do that. But every prosecutor needs to understand the consequences of their decisions and the cost and the delay associated with their decisions and the impact of those decisions on other cases that are pending in the Justice Department. Mr. Thomas has not done that.